You call yourself a free spirit, a wild thing. And you're terrified somebody's going to stick you in a cage. Well, baby, you're already in that cage. You built it yourself. And it's not bounded in the west by Tulip, Texas, or in the east by Somaliland. It's wherever you go. Because no matter where you run, you just end up running into yourself.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Also say hi to my new setup, which is in the process of getting ready. I'm going to be sharing all the details with you once I'm done. But yeah, today's video has to be, I think, one of my most favorite videos because I am going on a date. I am so excited because dude, it's gonna be really special, and I'm gonna give you all the details throughout the video, so keep on watching. So let's first start getting ready. I wanted to paint my nails because they look so boring, so I'm gonna do that first, and then I'm gonna start off with outfit, makeup, hair. I must tell you that my date is so cute, so I'm gonna be using a very cute color for my nails as well. So I'm gonna go with this light pink. While we paint my nails, let me tell you a little bit about my date. So my date's been wanting to take me out from a really long time, and because of Corona and other stuff, our plans actually got postponed, but we're finally going and I'm so excited. Like, I want to look my best. You know what I mean? Like I earlier mentioned, my date is so cute, also very kind, generous, and is also very creative. So I can't wait for you guys to meet my date. Anyhow, now that we're done with painting our nails, let's wait for them to dry and then we'll move ahead to skincare, a little bit of cute makeup and outfit. Now for some skincare, I'm just gonna spray some rose water, and because I'm going to be going out in the daytime, sunscreen lotion is so important. So just gonna go ahead with some sunscreen, baby. Coming to the date plan, firstly we're going to be going to the mall and then spending some time just window shopping. Also, I've been wanting to go to this Bath and Body Works and check out the Cyber Monday sale because everything is at flat 40%. So I was just planning to check out stuff there. After that is done, we are gonna go out and grab some fancy lunch, which I am super excited for. I did not even have my breakfast. When it comes to makeup and stuff, I like looking cute rather than looking too flashy or too loud because that's more my style. So a lot of blush. Okay, and I am surely happy with how that turned out. Now for some lipstick, I'm going to be using my brand new lipstick because it's a date. Am I obsessing over it too much? Let me know in the comment section below. I think that looks good. So now I'm going to be wearing my outfit. So I've chosen a really cute outfit. So it's like a bralette, a skirt and a denim jacket because it's getting really cold outside and I want to feel all cozy. So yeah, I'm just gonna change into my outfit and then show it to you guys. Okay then, my hair is all frizzy, but I think it's gonna set with time, so I'm gonna leave it there. Speaking about my earrings, now I've got like a really cute pair of earrings that I want to wear, which has got hearts. So these are the earrings that I was talking about. They're dainty and nice, and I love dainty jewelry. So yep, here we go. According to me, jewelry is like the most important way in which you can complete your outfit. So because I've kept my, earrings and necklace very dainty and simple, I'm going to be wearing like a chunk of bracelets and my chunky gold watch. There you go. This is going to be my stack for today. Alright, I think we're almost done. The most important tip that I can ever give you: when you're going on a date, smell good. That is so important. So I'm just going to be using my perfume very generously. Alright, so I'm kind of nervous right now, but I'm going to hype myself up. Nishita, you look so cute, dude. Nishita, the outfit is perfect, makeup is perfect, your smile is perfect. Yeah, don't forget to hype yourselves up before you go on a date, because duh, self-validation is the key. Now that we're done, I'm gonna get going, but before that, let me reveal my date. So I'm going on a date with myself. I'm sorry that I tricked you guys, but yeah, I'm so excited to go out with myself. I'm so excited to take myself out, because it's been really long that I treated myself, took myself out. So I think now is the right time. This is the right time to take yourselves out. Let's normalize it. Let's normalize solo dates. I think it's really important to spend time with yourselves. I know it sounds creepy, but yeah, like you spend time with others, it's extremely important to give yourself time, spend some time with yourself, treat yourself. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today, and trust me, it's going to be so exciting. So yeah, just hop in and enjoy the ride with me. Okay, so first we are headed to the mall because I want to check out Bath and Body Works, like I earlier mentioned. It's been so long that I've been to a mall and just strolled around, which I absolutely love, which I'm going to be doing right now. And yeah, I have my hair all tied up because I'm traveling and I don't want my hair to be all over my face. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so I just shopped a little from Bath and Body Works. I'm going to show it to you once I get home. So I wanted to go to this garden outside that Inorbit Mall has, but unfortunately it's closed. So that's why I'm talking to you guys from here. So yeah, I'm pretty much done with shopping or anything of that sort. So I'm planning to go out for lunch now. So I'm going to book a cab and let's go. Plans changed, so I wanted to get myself some matcha, which I'm gonna do now. There's Starbucks here, so I'm gonna get some matcha and then sip it for a bit, spend some time in Starbucks, just listen to some cool music, and then we're gonna head out for lunch. Your name, please? I'm Nishita. Nishita. N-I-S-H-I? N-I-S-H-I? P-H-A. A tall iced matcha. Yes, perfect.
Morning mask covers me up. No one here to shine me a light. Shooting for a little star, but it's just too much real. No one here to pull me to the light.
That was a super yum matcha. I've been wanting to have Starbucks matcha from a really long time. I'm so bored of the matcha that I make. So yeah, that was a good one. Like I told you, now we are headed to lunch. We are going to this place called the Glass Onions. I've heard like really good reviews about this place and it's quite fancy. So yeah, since we are going on a date, I wanted to pick a place that's fancy enough for lunch. So we're going to go there. It's a bright sunny day today. I absolutely love the winter sun. So yeah, I'll see you at the restaurant then.
We never stop on darkness. We'll never want on pain.
I just placed my order and it's such a beautiful place. I'm in love with this place, like seriously. I can't wait for my food to arrive. I have my soda here which I'm gonna enjoy. I think Lasagna is like the perfect choice that I've made. So happy. So cheers. Like a golf course that's spread all over and it's so lush and so green. I think this is one of the best days I've had in 2020. You just gotta normalize eating alone in a restaurant. I know it gets really awkward initially, but then once you get comfortable, it is one of the best feelings ever. No meal is complete without a dessert, and that's what we have here. So this is apple pie. I'm gonna quickly dig in and tell you how it tastes. I'm being extra adventurous right now because I'm using my left hand to eat. Okay, not bad. I love it.
Everything is shadows down. Walking this empty road. No one here to save me from the dark.
So I'm currently waiting for my cab and I must say that I had such a lovely time. The place was amazing, the food was too good, so I ordered spinach ravioli and apple pie. Both of them were made to perfection. So yeah, it was a lovely time, and according to me, self-care is accepting your authentic self, and you will know who you are only when you spend more time with yourselves. And yeah, I think this is a reminder for you guys to go on solo dates, to take yourselves out. So if there's a restaurant you want to check out, or if there's a store that you want to visit, you can be your own date. Hey guys, so I am just back home, changed, freshed up, and I thought I would talk to you guys a little, but before that, let me show you my tiny Bath and Body Works haul. So I just got 3 things. I first got like a mini travel sized shower gel. So this is at the beach variant. So it's like more like a fresh kind of scent. Yeah, it's very fresh, which I love. And the next thing that I got is for my mother. So this is like a cracked heel treatment. So this has glycolic acid, so it's like a treatment. So it's this very thick cream that you put on in the night, and you know, follow it up with sunscreen the next morning. So this is priced at $13.99 and I got this for $5.99. And the next one is for me. It has to be my favorite. So I've been meaning to get you know, a candle of, what is the variant's name, sun drenched linen variant, from a really long time. So this smells like detergent. So I watched like a lot of videos where people were praising about the scent, that it's fresh, it's more like Surf Excel, and I am a big sucker for you know, fresh scents, and I am so happy I found this. So there was a larger one in this which was priced at $2,000. So I wasn't really ready to invest $2,000 for a candle, so I got this one. This is actually priced at $14.99, but there was a sale going on and I got this only for $9.99, which I thought was good. All in all, it was a beautiful day. You must have already seen me have fun and all that. I kind of realized a lot of things today during my date, you know, that I so freaking missed walking in the mall. Call me weird, call me any names that you want, but I love walking in malls. It's such a, you know, therapeutic feeling. Even if you don't buy anything, it's just so nice to just casually stroll around looking at things, and I absolutely enjoyed doing that today. The second thing I realized is that, you know, we always underestimate the power of sitting by yourself with your own thoughts, and I feel that in our busy lives we don't really get a chance to sit with our thoughts and, you know, analyze and stuff like that. We have some of the other kind of distractions all the time, but yeah, today I did just that. I was able to sit with my thoughts, think, and yeah, it was just like a free flow of thoughts and emotions and all that. And I totally feel like today was an entirely different day, because these days I've been, you know, slogging myself at work with videos or with editing and stuff like that. So today I got to see myself in like a whole new light, which is amazing. So it doesn't really matter if you're married or single or in a relationship. It is just so important to acknowledge your thoughts, your feelings, your authentic self, and I think that is a luxury these days, and I think that we should absolutely normalize going out alone, having food alone, having a meal alone, you know, enjoying a movie alone. So all in all, it was a beautiful experience, and I would highly recommend you guys to try it out too. And if you do, let me know in the comment section below. With that, I think I'm going to end today's vlog right here. I hope you guys had fun watching it. It was very therapeutic for me to shoot the entire experience. I hope you guys like it too. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram for all the pictures that I took today. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye.